Hi, I'm Emma, and this is my memoir about high school. My high school experience, actually. So what is my high school experience? Well, a lot of my high school experience actually revolved around the fact that I was struggling with my sexual identity. I didn't know I was gay. Well, I did know I was gay, but I convinced myself I wasn't for the first 2 years of high school. So that was entertaining. I'll also be discussing that I am the main character, because I am. This is because I'll be talking about how I dated boys and girls, and how my mom and my dad really instilled the idea that I could do anything in the world, and that they would love me no matter what. But they told me that since I was 3 years old, because apparently I used to walk like a little boy, and my mom knew I was going to be gay. So that's really fun for me, because she knew I was gay before I knew I was gay. I was a little late to my own party, which is very on brand. In high school, I do think I found the love of my life my senior year. This is on topic because it's very monumental for me, because she's perfect and I love her. My memoir will mostly be discussing what's better, boys or girls, which one's better to date. More specifically, I'll be discussing the pros and the cons of boys and girls. Disclaimer, I am pretty biased towards girls because I don't actually like boys, and I just convinced myself I liked boys because it was quirky. I'm kidding, it wasn't quirky. It was actually really sad that I had to convince myself I liked boys, but that's besides the point. I'm happy now because I like women, specifically my girlfriend, because she's perfect. Another thing I will be talking about is my private high school experience, because I did go to private school in high school. It wasn't the best. Disclaimer, it's basically like the movies. Nothing like Hogwarts. Really disappointing. Everyone is just how you expect them to be. Rude, money-driven, bratty. And no matter what, you're always disappointed, even in the happiest situations, because nothing lives up to your friends' lives, because you're not your friends, and you're not as rich as them, and they have everything you want. But that's okay. So yeah, that's my memoir. Hope you enjoy.